I recently learned this term called isomorphism, and part of what I'm trying to explain, I guess, is tree isomorphism. And it has to do with like trees' DNA being specific to each tree, where also at the same time, all the trees have very similar parts. So that's like why you get lost in the woods, because although they're all different living beings, they all look very similar. Which is very similar to how like you get lost in a crowd because you're looking for someone you know, but they look similar to other people. There's this problem called Bellman's lost in the forest problem, and it has to do with the best path that you would take through a forest if you knew it very well, but it's known as like $1,000,000 problem, not to be confused with Millennium Prize problems. And I stumbled on this thing that people who get lost follow predictable patterns because there's like statistics around wayfinding. So I was wondering if you could use wayfinding statistics and math to sort of like reverse engineer what you would need to figure out the lost in the woods problem with isomorphism. Then there's the thing with like nerves and blood vessels and tree branches and the universe all having the similar shape, etc.